Deloitte India has acquired two assets, Tezava and Factory-Wise, from a Pune-based technology startup WebSim Solutions, along with the team that has designed and deployed these assets across clients, as it looks to bolster capabilities in Internet of Things, automation, and digital transformation. These assets would help organizations to leverage IoT, big data, cloud, and analytics and enable real-time process management. By acquiring the assets, Deloitte India has expanded its existing portfolio of services and strengthened ability to offer end-to-end advice, implement, and operate solutions to manufacturers, industrial, and consumer OEMs and smart city, smart utilities deployments, according to a statement. It did not divulge the financial details of the transaction. Deloitte Touche Tomatsu India LLP, Deloitte India, has acquired two flagship assets, Tezava and Factory-Wise, from WebSim So. Manufacturers in energy, industrial, and consumer product industries, as well as smart city projects are using Tezava and Factory-Wise. Deloitte India will introduce these products to other industries as well.